Ants in your laundry room can be a total pain, but trust me, there are some easy ways to kick them out and keep them from coming back. First off, ants hate dry spaces, so keep that laundry room as dry as possible. Wipe up any spills right away, and don't let water pool around the washer or sink. Next, clean out your lint traps regularly, because lint can trap moisture and food bits that ants love. You can also use natural repellents, like vinegar or lemon juice around door frames and cracks where ants sneak in. Seal up any holes or gaps you spot, even tiny ones, because ants are super sneaky and will find the smallest opening. Try putting down some ant bait stations if the problem gets serious. They attract ants and then kill the colony. Also, don't leave dirty laundry or food scraps hanging around. It's basically an open invite for ants. Make it a habit to sweep and mop the floors often to remove crumbs and spills they might feast on. Lastly, check if your outdoor plants or mulch are too close to the house, because ants can use those as bridges inside. One of the biggest mistakes people make with ants in laundry rooms is ignoring moisture problems. Ants show up where water is hanging around, so fix leaks or drips fast. Another common issue is not sealing entry points. Even a tiny crack is like a welcome mat for ants, so grab some caulk and seal it tight. The third mistake is skipping regular cleaning. If lint traps and floors aren't cleaned often, it's basically throwing a party for ants, so stick to a schedule and keep things spotless. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, contractors get a steady flow of work by connecting with people who actually need their services. Everyone wins.